In this video, we'll be chopping the roof of my lifted Civic and making it into a truck. Stay tuned. I do like how my Civic looks, but at the end of the day, guys, this is a truck channel, okay? We're not gonna be caught seen in a car. Let's change that today. I'm so excited to do this. So we're gonna be cutting our Civic in half. So there's a lot of stuff we have to do before we get to chopping. So let's get straight to it, guys. I decided to start with the roof rack, guys, and I absolutely dummied it off there. It wasn't even a challenge at all for a guy like me. Then we moved on to the spare tire, took that off. Then we absolutely attacked the rear trunk lid, got that out of there. We don't need that anymore on a truck. Then we went inside, started ripping apart the interior, got hung up on the yellow tab for about 20 minutes. Don't worry about that. Now we're gonna be ripping out the carpet just because it's unnecessary to have in here. And then we're gonna take all our seats out, just kind of get rid of everything except the dash, door pans, and center console. As you guys know, I'm an absolute animal when it comes to tearing stuff apart. So we ripped out our carpet here in less than 2.7 seconds. Got right to the rear seat, unbolted it, took it all out. No problem for the big dog. Started ripping panels out, left, right, front, and center. Pretty good work on the interior. You can see it's got puddles all over because they're roof rack, basically. It's all gutted. Now we're gonna go to the windows here. We're gonna try and take the windows out without breaking them so we can hopefully sell them. You just broke my window. I said not to break it. Whoops. It's kind of hard to remove without breaking, so as you can see, we're trying to remove it without breaking it. Guys wailing on it. Yeah. One more. Yeah. Oh. We're almost to the chop phase. I was looking at my moldy speakers. I think those are JBLs, dude. Bumping mold. Look at that. Oh my God. All right, guys, we're finally chopping. We're gonna cut around the window here, getting it out of the way. Then we'll work on actually measuring and going all the way down to the bottom.
She'll eat. It's already bent the blade though.
Got it on second thoughts. That's cuts like butter, eh?
Yeah, no kidding. Maybe it's time for the longer blade.
The whole freaking thing was shaking.
Dude, I feel like I've been jackhammering all day.
Oh yeah, oh there we go. Right there, baby. Oh,
It's apart now.
yeah, it's literally teetering. There we go.
It's something here, yeah.
Dude, this looks sick, boy. Oh! Almost ran into the wall. Oh my God. No way. Dude, that looks sick. Boy, we're cruising now.
Dude, you gotta put a hot tub in the back.
Dude, I thought it was cool before. Oh my gosh.
Strong still.
Yeah.
I thought this would be really flexible.
Wow. That looks nuts. Okay, hold on. Let me see the front. Bro, what is that from the front? That is so sick. Best mod I've ever done.
Dude, it looks actually pretty cool.
Now we're gonna pop out the rest of our tail lights. We'll get all the wiring out of the way now that we can see. We're gonna go all the way down to the bottom level. We popped our taillights out. Then I went to the fender flare and I took that off. And Jared's back to chopping again. You're probably wondering, why is Jared doing all the cuts? I actually suck at cutting metal, so we're leaving that to Jared.
It's like the Bronco quarter panel. Kind of clean, kind of clean.
At this point, guys, I'm telling Jared, put the sawzall down, man. Relax a little bit. Then he grabs the grinder and starts going nuts. He would not let go of a cutting tool.
All right, we're coming. We're coming. That's it.
Coming, boys.
The plan was kind of not really much of a plan to begin with. So we're kind of at this level where we're going to keep it flush here. We're probably going to use wood for the deck. Again, still budget because I don't really want to spend money on this. We're still going to make another chop. The thing does look sick. That side's almost pretty much done. And then we just got to get over here. But we have the gas filler neck in the way, which is a little bit of an issue. But we'll work around that. And we need room for a roll cage to weld up to the ceiling.
We dropped our fuel filler neck down so Jared didn't cut it in half because he's just going crazy right now. Jared cuts more of the quarter on this side, and then we take off the fuel filler neck housing.
We're nearing the finish line, getting it all chopped up. It's almost there. We got the gas all kind of figured out. Look, that's all the stuff we lost today right here. 100 pounds of weight reduction.
Me and Glenn go on to make the worst possible chop across the roof, and then we throw the roof rack on so you guys can't see it.
Dude, it's not a car anymore. Don't say that.
Sorry, your utility vehicle.
It's a truck now.
Yeah, you need to come up with a good name for it.
A truck. Look at that thing. Got the roof rack just sitting on the roof again. We're actually going to be able to reuse it because you can kind of mount it anywhere you want. Again, still needs to be cleaned up. We're nowhere near done yet. But we got the vision now, and now it's easier to see what we're actually going to do.
So guys, I put the Civic back together. Then it was time to take my new truck for a rip. Like I had a doubt it would fire. I don't have the proper seat. I just have my little dolly here. But we'll just take the freaking rolls around. Take her for a light rip here. Dude, this is sick.
That's actually so cool. Little size comparison. Guys, I actually can't believe how well this worked out. Like there was no plan. We kind of went as we went. We got the rear window out and we're like, okay, well, how high should we keep it? What should we do with it? And I think we have it at a pretty good spot. And I think we actually have a pretty sturdy freaking truck. We're gonna end the video here. We got the Civic tarped up for now until we get back to working on it and making the bed nice and clean. Make sure you guys subscribe. You're not gonna wanna miss this thing finished up. Everybody was loving it. They thought it was freaking hilarious. So I can't wait to actually finish it up. It's gonna look clean, guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, leave a like, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. We dropped our fuel filler neck down so Jared didn't absolutely, oh my gosh.